Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's another food review. I really was supposed to get another video out, but today we're going to be reviewing some Korean seaweed. So today I have chopsticks also, because BK Ben Kim reminded me that you probably should eat chopsticks, so like that's what I'm doing. So we have rice to supplement. It's roasted seaweed with green tea. So I guess there's like green tea in it. Yeah. We're just gonna take out one thingy.
Sheet.
One sheet. And now the strat here I learned from Brian is that you take the thingy. You take the paper, and then you get the wait, you put it in here, right?
Well, so what you do is you take the sheet, you take a piece of rice, just a random clump that can fit in there.
Okay, come on, man. I'm the president of the Asian American Student Association.
Okay, and then you just wrap it up and eat it.
And then you just...
Yes. You can use your hands.
What's up, bro?
Just seaweed rice.
Now I know the quality of my videos has gone
downhill
lately.
A lot.
When are you restarting Hello Kitty Roller Rescue?
That's a good question. When are you going to be bringing back Hello Kitty Roller Rescue and
When Juni uploads 100 subscriber special.
Well, I will. I actually will. How about this? Yeah. Anyway, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this a 10, cause I got it's
Freaking pig.
Whoa! Chillax. You hear this?
Relax.
This is the guy you subscribe to. Disrespectful. You're disrespecting my audience, and maybe also half of your audience because we kind of have the same subscribers.
It's seaweed. Just give me with that rice.
So in the next video, I'll have I know I've had like 5 update videos because like probably half of my videos are update videos because I'm always like I make a video and it's a video that talks about, hey, I'm alive and I'm still making videos, and then that's the next video and that's what every video becomes, but not this time. Next will be pretty much my final update video, and I'll be talking about, you know, the plans I have for this channel, how I'm gonna do my upload schedule now, because I'm kind of done with weekly uploads in the sense because the quality has gone down.
Like I'm down to shamelessly grabbing rice while you're talking.
Like cameraman doesn't speak.
But yeah, don't worry, he'll be uploading soon. I know it's been 3 months. You guys have all been waiting for the next Hello Kitty Roller Rescue, the next collab with Arnav. Didn't you make a smash with didn't you smash with Arnav? Yeah.
Yeah, you smashed Arnold.
Whoa. As in Super Smash Bros.
Super Smash Ultimate for the Nintendo Switch. That's the moral of the story, okay? We have people that are advancing, okay? Harrison ASMR, he has 57 subscribers.
You know what the actual moral of the story is? Is that you should hit that Twitch Prime button. Hit that subscribe button and check if you have a Twitch Prime sub available. Yeah. Make sure you support All958. He's a real good streamer.
Also, Scrapper's up and coming. You guys gotta be on the lookout for that. I'll put the link in the description down below, if I remember. Well, I will, because I'm talking about it right now. I know this isn't what you guys wanted. I'll make an update video, and it's gonna happen.